I love creating budget-friendly and delicious meals that take absolutely no time to create. So today, I'm going to be showing you a very easy minced meat recipe or ground meat recipe that is going to be just worth trying. To create this recipe, the ingredients are going to be very minimal. So you're going to place a non-stick pan over medium-high flame and add in some olive oil or cooking oil. I've added in a tablespoon of olive oil. Once the oil is ready, you're going to add in your minced meat, and using a wooden spatula or a silicone spatula, you're going to break down the meat as it cooks. Minced meat takes a very short time to cook, so all you have to do is break down the meat as it cooks. Also, searing the minced meat is going to add in lots of flavor to my recipe. So I'm going to cook the minced meat over medium flame for around 2 to 4 minutes. When your minced meat is ready, you're going to transfer to a plate. And then in the same pan, I'm going to add in some more oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add in my onion. This is a medium onion. You're going to saute your onions for around a minute until golden brown. When I'm buying minced meat or ground meat, I usually go for lean minced meat because it doesn't turn out greasy. Browning the onions is going to add in lots of flavor to the minced meat. So take your time and saute the onions until they have a very nice golden brown color. And to add in some flavor, I'm going to be adding in some minced garlic and ginger, which is going to add in a lot of aroma to the minced meat. So after around 30 seconds, I'll add in my crushed garlic and ginger. Stir in the garlic, and then I'm going to cook the garlic for around 30 seconds until the raw flavor of garlic and ginger is gone, or until the garlic has a very nice golden brown color. Keep watch over your garlic and ginger because you don't want it to burn. It burns really fast. When the onions have started getting that golden brown color, you're going to add in 2 large carrots that you have chopped up into little pieces, just like mine. Stir in. I've started with the carrots because they take a while to cook, and also because I've already cooked my minced meat. Give this around a minute to cook over medium flame. When the carrot has softened up halfway, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir in the tomato paste, and then I'm going to add in a splash of water. That is around a 1/4 cup of water. Give the tomato paste around a minute over low flame so that it can cook. And also the carrots are going to soften in the process of the tomato paste cooking. To add in some seasoning to my minced meat stew, I'm going to be adding in some black pepper, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon, a beef seasoning cube, which is also going to add in a very nice beef flavor to the stew, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Stir in all the seasoning. Next, add back in your minced meat, which is not seasoned. Stir in so that the minced meat can absorb the seasoning and all the nice flavors. Add in a cup of water and stir in so that the minced meat can soak in all those nice flavors that we added. So I'm going to bring the flames to medium and give this around 3 minutes. To thicken up your sauce, you're going to add in a tablespoon of cornstarch to a small jar. Then you're going to add in water, stir in until all the cornstarch is fully combined with the water. That is the trick to making a very nice and thick gravy. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you can add in a little bit more salt. And if you don't have the soy sauce, you can switch with salt and it's still going to be very delicious and flavorful. After around 3 minutes, I'm going to add in my capsicum and stir in. Give this about a minute so that the capsicum can soften up. Add in your cornstarch slurry into the pan. Stir in. And immediately you add in your cornstarch slurry, the sauce is going to thicken up and look very glossy. So don't skip on the cornstarch slurry. To garnish, I'm going to add in some coriander, which I've chopped up. And oh my, this is looking so good. My minced meat stew is looking glossy, it's flavorful, well seasoned, and it's perfect over some rice, chapati, naan, or even some mashed potatoes, and it's going to be truly worth it because the flavor is 100%. Let me tell you guys, this is just worth trying. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and delicious recipe.